Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make chicken with onion. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need about 1 pound of boneless, skinless chicken, which you can cut into 1-inch pieces. Grab 2 medium yellow onions and slice them thinly. Don't forget 2 cloves of minced garlic and 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Finally, season your chicken with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of black pepper. This simple preparation sets us up for a delicious meal. Now let's get that chicken beautifully seared. Heat 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a large skillet over medium-high heat. Once shimmering, add your seasoned chicken pieces, making sure not to overcrowd the pan. Sear them for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side until they develop a lovely golden brown crust. This step locks in the flavor. Once seared, remove the chicken from the skillet and set it aside for a moment. Next, it's time for our aromatic onions and garlic. Add the sliced onions to the same skillet, perhaps with a tiny bit more oil if needed, and reduce the heat to medium. Sauté them for about 8 to 10 minutes, stirring occasionally until they become beautifully softened and translucent. Then, stir in your minced garlic and cook for just 1 minute until it's wonderfully fragrant. You can also deglaze the pan with 1/4 cup of chicken broth for extra flavor. Finally, let's bring it all together for a fantastic finish. Return your seared chicken pieces to the skillet with the softened onions and fragrant garlic. Stir everything gently to combine, allowing the flavors to meld beautifully. Continue to cook for another 5 to 7 minutes, ensuring the chicken is thoroughly cooked and heated through. Garnish with some fresh chopped parsley for a pop of color, and serve this delightful chicken with onion immediately alongside your favorite side dish. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.